Alright guys, it's giveaway time. If you want a chance to win a car wash kit, stay tuned after the intro to figure out how to get entered in. Let's go ahead and cue the intro. Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. And guys, first things first, I just want to say thank you so much for 500 subscribers. And like I promised, I told you if I make it to 500 subscribers before the end of 2020 that we was gonna do a giveaway. And yeah, it is the end of January, so I am kind of late. But there was a series on unfortunate events that happened, so I couldn't quite make this video yet. A lot of good things happened, but then a lot of bad things happened also. So way to go 2021. We're getting somewhere. Anyway guys, like I promised, it's time for another giveaway. This giveaway is going to be a car kit. This car kit is one of the car kits off of Amazon, and it is it's actually a pretty nice car kit. It comes with this box, have its own storage containers and whatnot in it. You open it up, first thing you see is a pretty big drying towel. Let me step back. Yep, pretty big drying towel. It's actually feel really nice. You can use this to dry off your car, get all the water spots off of it. You also got a microfiber towel, just a hand microfiber towel. Pretty sure you can use this for like buffing wax off, wax on, wax off type deal. You also got a little hook on it so you can hang it up wherever you want to hang it up at. So that's nice. More towels, a mitt, and here's what I liked about it. Got a nice tire scrub, a window squeegee, a duster, wheel cleaner, a wheel brush, whatever it is. And this is for the interior, which maybe actually bought it. Now what this is, it goes in between your vents. You can use this side to clean like your buttons and stuff like that. This is pretty nice. I actually used this car kit before for washing my car. I gotta say, it's pretty nice. A nice little kit, keep everything in the box, and you can add other stuff in there if you want to, like other tools, or you can just completely take everything out and make it into a storage box. Since we do have 500 subscribers, all you have to do is like 500 of my videos. I'm just playing. I don't even have 500 videos on this. All you have to do is like 5 videos, comment on 5 videos, let me know that you comment on them. That's it, you're entering. That's all you have to do is like 5 videos, comment on 5 videos, and whoever the winner is, I will be contacting them, figuring out the information of where I need to ship it to. And we can talk about an extra gift idea or something like that we can go ahead and throw in this box too. Best of luck to everybody. Right now, I'm pretty sure I got 530 subscribers, so yeah, I am a little late, but yeah. Best of luck to y'all. If you don't win this time, there will be another giveaway. I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure y'all wondering what is going on behind me. We are painting the 1998 Mach 1.